Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting 5 to 10 seed keywords that define your niche, product names, services, or top topics. Open Moz Keyword Explorer and paste those seeds. Choose location and language to reflect your audience. Once done, select SERP features and intent filters so results match real opportunity. This narrows noise and surfaces relevant volume and difficulty. Make sure to export raw results now, because you'll refine and combine these lists in the next step. Now you expand and prune. Use keyword suggestions to find long-tail variants and check keyword difficulty to avoid overly competitive terms. Sort by monthly volume, opportunity, and organic click-through rate to prioritize realistic wins. Once sorted, apply filters to remove irrelevant terms and duplicate intent. Then group similar phrases into clusters for content planning. This clustering makes content mapping easier, so you can assign pages to high-priority groups and avoid cannibalization before moving to the final execution step. Finish by exporting your prioritized keyword list with intent notes, target URLs, and difficulty tags so your team can take action. Assign owners and set 30, 60, and 90-day goals for content creation, on-page optimization, and tracking. Once live, monitor rankings and organic traffic. If performance lags, recheck your filters, SERP intent, and location settings in Moz, because mismatched intent or region is the most common cause of poor results. If issues persist, reevaluate difficulty versus budget and adjust targets accordingly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.